Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to all my students. Okay, for our lesson today, I would like to discuss with you self practice 13.4 from your maths textbook. Okay, so look at question number 1. In a crossword competition, a contestant sent 15 entry form. The probability that the contestant win is 3/25. Determine the total number of entry forms submitted in the competition. Okay, so how to find the answer for this one? Alright, so look at here. Okay, first of all, okay, let's P in bracket A is the probability a contestant win. Alright, so and smaller n in bracket A, capital A, it is a number of the entry form sent by a contestant, and smaller n, capital S is the total number of entry form submitted in the competition. Okay, so we are going to use the formula for the probability, which is probability of the event A. It is equal to the number of the element for the event A you divide with the number of the sample space for the event A. So probability of the event A, which is already given in the question, which is equal to probability of the contestant win. It is 3/25. So this probability of the event A, you substitute with the 3/25, then equal to the numbers of element for the event A, which is equal to the number of the entry form sent by a contestant, which is already given to you in the question. It is equal to 15 entry form. So NA here, you substitute with the 15. So question asks you to find the total number of entry forms submitted in the competition, which is equal to smaller n in bracket capital S. Okay, so this one we want to find out. So how to solve this one? Alright, you have to use a cross multiplication method. Okay, so it will become 3 multiplied with the smaller n in bracket capital S equal to 15 multiplied with the 25, so equal to 375. Then the number of element for the sample space, or the numbers of the total entry form submitted in the competition, it is equal to 375. You divide with the 3. Okay, this one 375, you divide with the 3, so you will get the answer equal to 125. Okay, so that is the answer for question number 1. Okay, now look at question number 2. Question number 2 asks you a set of letters that form the word menjustifikasi is inserted into a box. One letter taken from the set randomly. Calculate A, the probability of getting a vowel, and B, the probability of the complement of choosing a vowel. Okay, so how to do this one? Alright, so firstly you have to to make assumption. So let probability of getting a vowel, okay, you assume as the probability of the event A. So you can use the symbol capital P for the probability, so in bracket capital A for the event A. So after that, right, use this formula, probability of the event A equal to the number of the element for the event A, you divide with the number of the element for the sample space. Okay, so in the question, the event A is the probability of getting a vowel. That means you have to know in the word menjustifikasi how many the vowel there. Okay, you have to calculate how many vowel there. So after you calculate, you will find out there is there is a 6 vowel in the word menjustifikasi. So this one, smaller n in bracket capital A, you substitute with the 6, then you divide with the smaller n capital S, which is the total number of the letter, for the word menjustifikasi. So you have to calculate how many total number there. Okay, so you have to calculate how many total number there. This one from the word menjustifikasi, so there is 14 letter. There is 14 letter. So that's why for the smaller n in bracket capital S, you substitute with the 14 there. Okay, then after that, this one you can simplify, so you will get the answer equal to 3/7. Okay, this one is the answer for question 2A, the probability of the getting a vowel. Okay, then the second question asks you to find the probability of the complement of choosing a vowel. That means the question asks you to find the P in bracket A prime. A prime is the complement of getting a vowel. Okay, so let's P in bracket A prime is the probability of the complement of choosing a vowel. So before this, we learned about this formula, which is P in bracket A plus P in bracket A prime equal to 1. So from this formula, you will get to find the P in bracket A prime equal to 1 minus P in bracket A prime. Okay, so this one you bring to your right side, so it will become minus. So after that, you substitute the value for the P in bracket A, which is equal to 3/7 there. So equal to 1 minus 3/7, so we'll get the answer equal to 4/7. So this one the answer for question B. Okay, alright. So the next one, question 3. Okay, a container contains 35 red marbles and a few blue marbles. A marble is randomly taken from the container. The probability of taking the red marble is 7/15. Calculate. Okay, A, the probability of choosing a blue marble. B, the number of blue marbles. And C, the probability of choosing blue marble if 8 red marbles are added. Okay, so how to do this one? Alright, so look at here. Okay, so firstly what you have to do, okay, make assumption. Let's P in bracket A is the probability of choosing a red marble. Okay, because given to you in the question is the probability of taking the red marble, which is equal to 7/50. Okay, so this one the formula that you have to remember. Okay, P in bracket capital A equal to smaller n in bracket capital A, you divide with the smaller n in bracket capital S. So from the question we already know smaller n in bracket capital A, which is equal to 35. So this one is the number of the marble of the number of the red marble, which is already given to you in the question, which is equal to 35. This one the number of the sample space, that means the number of the total marble, that means the number of the red marble plus blue marble, we don't know. So this one we don't know. Okay, so what to do? You substitute all the information that you know in the formula here. So this one, okay, probability of getting a red marble we know, which is equal to 7/15. You substitute with the 7/15 equal to, okay, this one smaller n in bracket capital A, the number of the red marble equal to 35. So substitute with the 35. So this one we don't know, so just write this one smaller n in bracket capital S. So this one what to do? Okay, you have to do the cross multiplication method like this. Okay, to find this one. Okay, so it will become 7 multiplied with the number of the total marble. The number of the total marble equal to 15 multiplied with the 35, so equal to 525. So the number of the total marble equal to 525. You divide with the 7, so you will get the number of total marble equal to 75. So how to know the probability of getting? So how to know the probability of choosing a blue marble? Okay, alright. So like this, Okay, so okay, alright. Okay, then what to do? We have to find the number of the blue marble. The number of the blue marble equal to the 75 you minus with the 35. 75 is the number of the total marble that we already calculate before this. So 75 you minus with the 35. 35 is the number of the red marble. So after you minus, you get equal to 40. So 40 here is the number of the blue marble. Then the probability of choosing blue marble equal to the number of the blue marble you divide with the number of the total marble, which is equal to 75. So it is equal to 40, you divide with the 75. So this one you can simplify, equal to 8/15. Okay, so this one the answer for A. Alright, so the answer for 3B, the number of the blue marble, it is equal to 40 here. Okay, now the answer for C. C question asks you to find the probability of choosing blue marble if 8 red marble are added. Okay, so how to know this one? Okay, so that means the number of the total marble already changed. Okay, because being add 8 red marble, so the number of the total marble, or smaller n in bracket capital S, it is equal to 75 plus 8 equal to 83. Okay, then the probability of the choosing blue marble equal to the number of the blue marble, which is equal to 40. You divide with the number of the total marble, which is equal to 83. So this one the answer for question 3C. Okay, alright class. Okay, alright class. So lastly for your exercise today, alright, I want you to do question generating excellent. Okay, from page 291 from your maths textbook. Okay, please answer question 4 here. Question 4 here, please do this one. Alright, in your math exercise book. Okay, you can use maths 1 or maths 2 or maths 3. Yeah. Okay, so this one after you finish, okay, please send to me your answer in the Telegram. Alright, so that's all for our lesson today. If you have any question about the lesson or about this exercise, you can ask me in the Telegram. Okay, so thank you class. Alright.